Namaskar. Today is National Doctors' Day. Today is very important because of the fact that this day is observed to commemorate the birth anniversary of a very legendary figure, Bharat Ratna Bidhan Chandra Roy. He was not only a visionary but also a freedom fighter and a great teacher. He was instrumental to form the MCI, that is Medical Council of India, and also Indian Medical Association, IMA, in 1928. And in 1948, he was the key person and founder president of Cardiological Society of India. In fact, we are very grateful to him that we have gathered so much of his visionary ideas from him only. This day also reminds all the doctors of their responsibility and duty to all the patients. In fact, this has been very much highlighted during the time of COVID-19, which has become a pandemic, global pandemic, and that has not only created a sort of challenge to the health system, but also given almost a sort of sleepless night for everyone. In spite of that, all the doctors are not at all afraid, and they are going to serve the people in the right way, taking all the precautions that are needed for facing the COVID-19 scenario. And I would like to again pay my regards to all the presidents, past presidents of Cardiological Society of India who have given insight to the Cardiological Society of India greatly and also contributed so much, and we are actually reaping the benefit out of it. So, regards to all of you, sir. Lastly, I would say that doctors are but the parts of the society. So it is the moral responsibility of all people of the society to also care for the doctors. And with these few words, I congratulate every one of you for giving us the opportunity to serve you better. Namaskar.
Dear friends, this Doctor's Day is celebrated in the memory of the great legendary physician and cardiologist, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. Not just a cardiologist, he was a visionary, he was a freedom fighter, he was a Bharat Ratna, and he was born on the 1st of July. Now with this, at the moment, your contributions to the country have been enormous. You're all the frontline force, the COVID warriors. We're all fighting this war against COVID-19. While others, we're emphasizing for them to stay at home, you're the ones who are in the battlefield, day in, day out, with passion, with complete sacrifice. It's service before self. It's patient before your own self, before your own relatives. I think this is the sort of sacrifice which has rarely been seen in this country. It brings out the ethos of our very profession. The day we took the Hippocrates Oath, the day we said that we are here as your friends, as your companions, to save your lives, to be with you. Keep up these ethics, the compassion, the empathy. This is the basis of our service to humanity. It's truly exemplified in the present COVID circumstances. And I can tell you that it's your dedication. It's this profession that is going to win the war against COVID. So on behalf of the Cardiological Society of India, to all my cardiology colleagues, and to all the doctors in this country, I thank you all for being such a tremendous force, such a powerful force, such a passionate and compassionate force, which will clearly win the battle against COVID-19 and make this world a healthier place to live. Thank you all for being tremendous warriors.
Dear friends, it's really a great pleasure and honor indeed for me to be here on the platform of Cardiological Society of India on a very special occasion. And the occasion is National Doctors' Day. I wish all the doctors of India and the whole universe a very happy Doctors' Day. From my point of view, every day is a Doctor's Day. Every act of a doctor, every day is dedicated selflessly to the welfare of humanity in our society. If I have to define the word doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, each letter of the word has a very deep meaning. Like letter D represents dedication, devotion, dynamism, and divinity. That's what the doctor is. O is omnipotent, omniscience, omnipresent. That's what doctor believes in. And C is compassion. Every doctor is an embodiment of compassion. And T is togetherness and teamwork. That's what doctor believes in. The word O, that's the letter O, represents here is a very important meaning. He is optimistic. In every crisis, he is optimistic. And R is a reverence, respect, not only for the patient, for the attendants, for the family, and each and every person around him. This is how we define the doctor. Now, as it is a Doctor's Day, and I would like to give a tribute and a salute to a doctor. My expressions are like this. You are a healer, you are a hero, you are a warrior, you are hope for hopelessness, and you are light in darkness. You believe in renunciation in action and not renunciation of action. You are a real epitome of elegance and generosity. You are apostle of trust and faith. You are an embodiment of love, compassion, altruism, empathy, sympathy, peace, harmony, intelligence, and wisdom all in one. You are also an embodiment of devotion, dedication, and a real sacrifice. You are a real crusader for perfect health. You are a source of inspiration with your perspiration. I remember the words of Vedic expression for a doctor, and the expression is like this: kindness in words create confidence, kindness in thinking create profoundness, kindness in giving creates love, and kindness in loving creates happiness and health. Dear friends, I am very honored to wish all the doctors of the universe a very long, happy and healthy life, and pray to God to give them strength to serve the humanity with humanity. Thank you very much.
My fellow colleagues, let me offer you my warmest greetings for this Doctor's Day. This is the day that we all look forward to greet each other, to be proud of our profession, for the services that we offer to our fellow human beings. Unfortunately, this year has been a year of COVID-19 pandemic. Something which we have never dreamt, and nothing like this has been seen by any of us in the past, and we hope we don't see it in the future also. Let me tell you, the only profession that has stood like a rock of Gibraltar to offer services like soldiers to the people who suffer from COVID-19 is the members of the medical profession. I feel we all should be proud of our services. Our younger colleagues, many of our colleagues in the hospitals, in the dispensaries, or wherever they are, they have given their services, which of course have been appreciated by everyone, which includes media, the politicians, the bureaucrats, the lay public, the lay people. I think services which we all have been trained to give by the Hippocrates oath. I wish you good luck, long life and healthy life. Continue to give your services, and I'm sure we will conquer over this virus. Good luck to you. Thank you very much.
From sudden bewilderment to rapidly strategizing the fight against corona pandemic, the response of medical professionals has been exemplary and unparalleled. On this Doctor's Day, the 1st July 2020, I reiterate that I am proud to be one, and I am thankful to Almighty for giving me the opportunity to be of service to my countrymen during these testing times. As a past president of Cardiology Society of India, I admire the efforts of each one of you, my dear fellow physicians, in battling the deadly corona. My heart goes out to the families of colleagues who sacrificed their lives during call of duty. Let's once again pledge ourselves towards service before self. Jai Hind.
Dear colleagues and friends, good morning. We are in the midst of a global crisis. The whole world is reeling under the COVID-19 pandemic. This is something which the mankind has never witnessed during the past 100 years. Every country in the world, most developed to the least developed, is a victim of this disaster. India is no exception. Our governments, both central and state, are doing their best to control the disease. Our frontline warriors against the COVID-19 pandemic are our doctors, nurses and health workers. I salute them and give my respects to all. I am quite sure that we will win over the pandemic and will come out successful. Jai Hind.
Today on Doctor's Day, on behalf of the Cardiological Society of India, I deeply appreciate the services of the members of the Cardiological Fraternity for fighting the war against COVID-19. Your dedication, sense of responsibility, love and affection towards the sick patients will always be remembered by the country. Today, on Doctor's Day, the Cardiological Society of India is proud of your services and you deserve special kudos for it. I am sure with the conjoined efforts of the whole nation, we will be able to make our country COVID-free in near future. Thank you very much.
I'm Dr. Shirish Rehmat from Pune, Director Cath Lab at the Rubiol Clinic. I was the president of CSI in 2017 and I really feel proud about this society because any organization feels proud when they are beneficial to the society at large. They save lives, they improve quality of life, and overall are praised by the society for doing good social work. CSI is one such society, and I'm sure it will continue to do a great job in days to come. Thank you.
Dear friends, cardiologists have always been on the forefront of innovation and treatment. This year, Doctors' Day comes in the middle of the COVID pandemic. This has put doctors and all healthcare workers in the forefront and at a danger to themselves and their families. They've done an incredible job in managing this unprecedented situation, and I salute them. The disease affects the elderly disproportionately, and in this situation, the young cardiologists, the young doctors and other healthcare workers have taken and led from the front and have shown the way for the future. Once again, my best wishes to all the frontline health workers, doctors and cardiologists. I wish you a good work environment and safety for carrying on this tremendous work that you have been doing during this COVID pandemic. Thank you.
Today is 1st July. It is the birthday of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, who is a legend and who is a great doctor, was a great cardiologist, physician, and he is the founder president of our Cardiological Society of India, which is a great organization. And we all the cardiologists are part of it. So today I just want to pay homage to departed soul of Dr. Bidhan Chandra Rai, and we would like to follow him, his ethics, his way of seeing the patients and his preaches. So he was really a very great man, a great doctor, I should tell. Now we are in a corona pandemic situation and everybody is afraid. I just would like to convey a few words regarding corona and our doctor community. We as doctors are very vulnerable to corona infection, to COVID-19. I have a request to my doctor friends that it is really very bad time for us and we don't know when we are going to be infected by this deadly COVID-19 virus because the mortality is very high. We know it's not a simple virus and it's a deadly one, especially for elderly and aged doctors like us. And I would request you to take a glass of water in the morning, little lukewarm water with 2 lemons and little honey if the patient is not diabetic. And you take it in the morning, and also you take vitamin C tablets, 1 tablet twice a day. If it is with zinc, it's better. If not, okay. And we should take some vitamin D3 if the D3 level is low. We should try to have some natural sunlight also, because there was a topic in some journal that it inhibits the growth of the virus. And vitamin E also is helpful, 400 units, because it keeps the blood little thinner, and some antioxidant property of vitamin E helps. And we should check the vitamin B12 and keep it at maximum normal level. During the cath lab procedure, we should be careful as per the guideline recommended by the Cardiological Society of India. We should use PPI if the patient's COVID status is not known to us. And we should also ensure that not only us, the cath lab staff as a whole who are entering that cath lab should have PPE. And or not only that, we should, if possible, we should keep one of the labs free for the suspected patients, even not COVID patients, but suspected patients. And after we know the COVID status, it's okay that if it is negative, it's okay. If it is positive, we should go for some sort of fumigation according to the protocol. So I am sure that if we follow these few simple rules, we can prevent all of us from getting the COVID infection. And we don't have to worry, because even if COVID is there, now we have got all the medicines, favipiravir, then remdesivir and other medicines like dexamethasone. It is always there, and we have got lot of immunity. And I can request you to take 1 shot of influenza vaccine. And also we had in the in our childhood BCG vaccination and other MMR vaccination, and they're telling that if we would have vaccinated by all these vaccines, our possibility of avoiding the disease is very high, because they give non-specific immunity for other infections as well. So I wish all of you very good health, and I wish that you have a long and healthy life. and all the best to all of my friends, doctor friends. And especially in this Doctor's Day, I wish you and your families all the best. Thank you.
Dear friends, when the world has passed over a very difficult time due to COVID and its related long-term morbidity and mortality, the doctors have brave-faced themselves and shown the ability to tackle the emergencies, to tackle the social cause, and to take care of the patient in almost all possible way in emergencies. And they try to go in depth management of the patient and help all the society members to come out of this grave situation. Nobody will forget about your contribution which you have done, because this is an unparalleled thing which you have done, and thereby you have definitely given so much to the society. Society is unlikely to forget your contribution. Keep continuing, dispel the fear and come into the stream to help others who are waiting for you. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Manoranjan Mandal, Interim Honorary General Secretary, Cardiological Society of India. I wish a very happy Doctor's Day to all the doctors and the patients. During the current pandemic of COVID-19 or coronavirus, the patients as well as the doctors are in panic. Patients fear to attend hospitals and clinics lest they get infected coming in contact with their patients or healthcare staff. Many doctors are also avoiding patients in apprehension of getting infection from their patients. But this should not be, because most of the corona patients getting cured with slight medical care, only 10% require supportive ventilation, etc., and only less than 5% die of it. On the contrary, heart disease and heart failure are more serious illnesses, and about 10% of these patients die with best treatment. If remains untreated by negligence, the death rate among them will be 40 to 50% within weeks. So people do not hide their heart disease, and doctors also should not avoid their duty to save lives of their patients. Of course, both the patients and the doctors should adopt proper protection and precautions as preventive measures against the spread of coronavirus COVID-19 in hospitals as well as in their clinics. Thank you all.
Take any natural calamity, earthquake, flood, famine, tsunami. Consider any conflict, war, genocide. Take any bad illness, from olden Spanish flu to Black Death, from H1N1 to AIDS. In every situation, we were there, the doctors were there to take care of health and saving lives. We all realize that COVID-19 is a far bigger problem than anything we had ever encountered. But I am sure that we will fight it out. As a senior member of the Cardiological Society of India, I pledge that we as a team will put the best of our efforts, and I am sure that we will come out victorious.
Doctor's Day is celebrated to mark the contribution made by the stalwart of medicine, Dr. B.C. Roy. The CSI has always been on the forefront when it comes to offering the best treatment to its patients. Even during corona pandemic, our members are proactively taking care of their patients. Thank you.
Dear colleagues, you would all agree that we are living in the worst of times. The SARS-CoV-19 is sweeping the world with disease and death, and more lives have been lost in this disease than most of the wars in the last century, and the number continues to rise. Even the economy is in chatters. Everybody is suffering, even those who are staying home. But in difficult times, it is you, the doctors, who along with the paramedics and other unsung corona warriors that are fighting it out with the virus in the front line in order to keep the common man's life going. You, dear friends, are the real heroes. But while you fight it out, I would suggest that you should take all the precautions necessary and prevent yourself from getting the disease so that it does not spread to your friends, to your family, and to the public at large. I would congratulate you and thank you on this day dedicated to doctors for all the good work that you are doing, and I pray for your safety and success. Carry on your good work. May the good Lord be with you.
Today, the close-knit medical fraternity of Indian doctors, in particularly cardiology, is in the center of attraction and attention of all the people around the world, since our result-oriented work has proven that we are in par with the rest of the world. Going forward, let us keep abreast of breakthrough in the medical field vis-a-vis cardiology sciences and adapt them to produce extremely good results in our patients. As medical professionals, let us also exchange ideas and share our experiences to raise the standard of cardio care to the next level. Today, on the occasion of the Doctor's Day, on behalf of Cardiological Society of India, I would like to congratulate and compliment you all for your hard work, commitment and determination.
India was established about 72 years back under the dynamic and visionary leadership of late Dr. Bihal Chandra Rai, Bharat Nandawadi, and a noted physician and cardiologist of that era. Since its inception, Cardiological Society of India is having very high proficiency activity in medical profession field and other social activity also. In this era of corona pandemic, I will advise to all our citizens to abide by the advisory released by the government of India so that their life could be saved. We have to maintain all the norms like social distancing, maintaining the hygiene as advised by ICMR and Government of India. The Cardiological Society of India has contributed significantly in TM Cares Fund to handle this corona pandemic situation, and I hope in future Cardiological Society of India will not lag behind in any eventful matter in helping the government and other organizations to sort out this problem.
Hello everyone. Today we are in the midst of a pandemic, and unfortunately we can't have those usual Doctor's Day celebrations. 3 months into this pandemic, we have learned two things. Number one, that we are increasingly encountering COVID positivity even in our cardiac patients. And number two, that whenever we make a decision for our patient, we need to balance the risk of exposure and spreading the infection against the benefit of a test or for that matter an interventional procedure that we might want to offer to the patient. In my department of cardiology today, many junior colleagues as well as fellows in training have joined hands with the other young doctors and healthcare workers as COVID warriors, giving up their cardiology postings. They are manning ICUs, managing critically ill patients of COVID. Hats off to them. I salute all these young doctors and healthcare workers. On occasion of this Doctor's Day, let us all come together and celebrate their indomitable spirit, their fearless and selfless attitude, and their untiring effort in saving lives of fellow human beings. But I have one message to give to this young brigade. Akin to the air hostess who makes an announcement, put on your oxygen mask before helping others. So also, dear young brigade, please protect yourselves and don't let go of your guard even when you are off duty in the community. Once again, 3 cheers to young Corona warriors.
Friends, we belong to the most noblest of all professions. We take care of the sick and the dying, and we strive to prevent disease and alleviate suffering. As the world today is being gripped by the COVID menace, the world needs us like never before. You all are doing such a great job forgetting self and family to serve humanity and endangering your own lives. Keep up the good work, dear friends. Together we can fight and we can defeat this menace. It is just a matter of time. I also take this opportunity to wish all of you a happy Doctor's Day. Thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon everybody. I am Dr. Anjanlal Datta, cardiologist, past president of the Cardiological Society of India. The legendary doctor, Dr. B.C. Rai, was born on 1st July 1882 and died on 1st July 1903. His birthday is celebrated all over India as National Doctors' Day. Doctors from different parts of India on this day undertake to vow to offer our services with greater effort, dedication and empathy to all our patients. This year, however, the day has become all the more important for COVID-19 pandemic. Our plans for this year's Doctors' Day call for greater dedication, hard work, along with all our colleagues like nursing staff, brothers, sisters, paramedics, and all healthcare providers to come, stay united together, fight against this menace of COVID-19. But then we should not forget about the other existing diseases as well. Our fight for the other diseases continue as before is not better. Long live Doctors' Day. Thank you.
Dear friends, best wishes from Dr. Satyam Tiwari. Today, cardiac care is a vital health care area for the whole world. Patients are reaching out to the doctors not just for the medical help, but for the kindness, assurance and hope. We all understand the occasion and the importance of Doctors' Day today. It gives me the opportunity to thank you all for fulfilling these expectations and bringing smiles on the face of many cardiac patients all over the world. I am pretty confident together we all will continue to do the good work with renewed enthusiasm and passion. I am proud to be a part of the close-knit fraternity of cardiologists all over India. Wish you all a very happy Doctors' Day.
Dear brothers and sisters, I am very glad to join you all in celebrating this wonderful and meaningful Doctors' Day. I am very impressed to see most of you still serving the community in spite of difficult times, for which you deserve great appreciations. It is very appropriate to feel proud to be a part of this noble profession, but we also need to introspect ourselves and realize that the image of our profession in the society is gradually vanishing. We need to swear on this day that we will serve the community with conscience, commitment and compassion. We are not gods and we don't need to be called as gods either, but we should prove to the society that we are different from other professions. That is possible only when we are truthful, sincere and staunch. It is not enough to be a master of clinical skills. It is equally important to be proficient in communicative skills as well. It is not just enough to take care of your patients. It is more important to take care of yourself and the family.
My dear colleagues, I would like to express my gratitude to you all for working as COVID warriors in the present pandemic situation. Please carry on with your unselfish service towards your patients, but don't forget to take adequate precaution. Please use an appropriate mask, the cap, face shield, adequate gear, and don't forget to sanitize your chamber and wash your hands regularly. The Cardiological Society of India standing besides you in your sincere efforts, and it has donated around 30 lakh rupees to the PM CARES Fund, and the West Bengal branch itself has donated around 10 lakh rupees to Bengal Chief Minister's Fund for this purpose, and I am sure that the other branches have also donated magnanimously to fight this evil. Thank you all. I strongly believe we are going to win this war together.
Raging epidemic of COVID-19, and the epidemic is still far from over. However, with fantastic work from all the frontline workers like you, we are beginning to get a grip on the situation. And with your dedicated, selfless hard work, I have no doubt in my mind that we will emerge as victors of this situation. Now, we need to keep on plugging on and doing the hard work, doing the selfless work as we are doing at the moment. So, all I request you is that please do not lose heart, carry on fighting, and we will win at the end of the day together. And again, I'd like to wish you a very happy Doctor's Day. Thank you.
Happy Doctor's Day. We commemorate the anniversary of legendary Dr. B.C. Roy. This year's Doctor's Day is very significant and relevant too. I feel proud and privileged to be a part of medical fraternity, especially the cardiologists who have waged a war against COVID-19 this time. It's a testing time for all of us. Going to the hospital is like going to the battlefield. COVID-19 is an uncharted territory. I salute each and every one of you who are saving so many lives every day by risking your own and your families. I understand the limitations all we have. Despite that, we are fighting this battle and saving so many lives. We are all like war heroes. Thank you.
When there are tears in the eye, you are a shoulder. When there is a pain, you are the medicine. And when the world thinks it is the end, you provide the light at the end of tunnel. In short, in the time of tragedy, you are the only hope. Today, on the Doctor's Day, on behalf of Indian Heart Journal and Cardiological Society of India, I wish a very heartfelt gratitude for all the sacrifices you have made, especially during this pandemic. Your dedication, devotion, diligence, and die-hard commitment, courage, capability, and conviction deserve the deepest appreciation. Your selfless service to patients in these trying times is saving countless invaluable lives. You really are the heart and soul in this war against COVID-19, and I salute you, the true warriors. Thank you for being there despite all those unforeseen hurdles and for your patience and perseverance during these tough times. Do remember, tough times never last long, but tough people do. You are the unsung heroes of today's world, and I am sure that your role in this pandemic will be remembered for times to come. You are the knight in the shining armor and the saving grace during this dark episode. While many of us today are trying to figure out how to stay away from people as much as possible to avoid illness, you are the gearing up for the battle and jumping into the fire day in and day out. You and your colleagues in clinics, hospitals, and care facilities are the epitome of courage, as you are knowingly putting yourself at risk to save others. I salute you on this Doctor's Day. Jai Hind.
When the history of the world is written, your fearless response on the front line of the COVID-19 battleground will be written in golden letters. Today on Doctor's Day, on behalf of the Cardiological Society of India, I thank you all for truly being heroes in this challenging time. Your kindness, sincere caring and concern makes everything better and is a great encouragement to everyone in the battlefield. Thank you all for giving the cardiology fraternity a reputation of being courageous in the face of extreme adversity. On Doctor's Day today, I wish you all more energy and passion to fight the good fight.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Satyanarayan Naudre, Professor of Cardiology. As you all know, day by day the new cases of COVID are increasing in India. In last 4 months, government has taken all possible steps to make people aware about its transmission and measures to control its spread. In spite of that, the number of cases are increasing. Now, it is in our hand, we people have to handle it. On this Doctor's Day, I request you all, please stay at home. Do not go outside unless it is required. When you go outside, use face mask, maintain social distance of minimum 6 feet. Do not touch your face without washing your hands with soap or alcohol-based sanitizer. Do not gather in closed areas. If you want to talk over phone. Do not go to hospital unless there is emergency. Consult the doctor over telephone if required. Most of the government hospitals have tele-consultation facility. We have to take care of our own life. Do not be overconfident. Be cautious, careful, and take care of your own health. Thank you.
We are going through an unparalleled disruption of our times. The coronavirus pandemic, which is seriously challenging the mankind. Millions have fallen ill, lakhs have succumbed to the illness. The world is fighting with all its strength against this virus, and I am sure that we will conquer the virus soon. As a healthcare worker, it's our duty to protect the patients. At the same time, we should protect ourselves, our family, as well as the team who are working with us. We should set the best example for the promotion of appropriate protective measures in the hospital as well as in the community. The use of sanitizers, the use of masks and gowns, as well as social distancing. These are the key factors which can prevent the spread of the virus. On this Doctor's Day, let me salute our fellow doctors who are fighting this ruthless enemy.
Every year, July 1st is designated as National Doctors' Day in India because it is a day on which one of the fantastic doctors from India was born, and he did a lot of service to the country and to the medical profession, and that is late Dr. B.C. Roy. Doctor's Day is commemorating the birthday as well as the death anniversary of late Dr. B.C. Roy, who was a wonderful doctor, practiced in Kolkata, and he was a freedom fighter, and he also was the Chief Minister of West Bengal. Dr. Roy was known to be not only a good doctor, but he was very kind, compassionate, and had highest degree of medical ethics. So the role model for all the doctors in India should be late Dr. B.C. Roy. He was an epitome of excellent doctor, a lot of good character, morals, good conduct, compassion, and all the values that every doctor should have were embodied in Dr. B.C. Roy, one of the giants in the medical history of India and also in the political freedom struggle for India. It is to remember him that we celebrate July 1st as Doctor's Day, which also is his birthday as well as his death anniversary. They fall on the same day. So each year we have to remember Dr. B.C. Roy not only on July 1st but actually throughout the year, and we should try to emulate him as good medical doctors and practicing medical profession with highest degree of ethics and compassion for the patients and for their families. I congratulate Cardiological Society of India on promoting Doctor's Day to remind the medical profession to provide excellent medical care with highest degree of ethics and moral character. And that is the only way that we can help our patients and their families and this wonderful country. Again, very best wishes for the Doctor's Day 2020 and my very good wishes for your practicing excellence in medicine and with highest ethical values and moral character.
For a doctor, the Doctor's Day is a day to celebrate being a doctor. Being a doctor during these COVID times in this year of 2020 means being courageous, being able to give hope through courage, being sincere, being helpful, being able to teach dedication and empathy to others, being able to give and serve, being a friend, philosopher and guide to others, being able to save lives while being humble. And I have seen countless such doctors during these times, and they have inspired countless others to be better human beings. I salute all those doctors today who have never differentiated between their own family's happiness versus their patient's family's happiness. I salute all those doctors today on Doctor's Day for being the right kind of doctors.
Today the Doctor's Day is celebrated on birth anniversary of Honorable President of Cardiological Society of India, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy. His principles of empathy, innovation and acceptance of technology is very well accepted in all fields of cardiology and other medical fields. The Cardiological Society of India has given various guidelines to help the healthcare workers and cardiologists to treat the cardiovascular illnesses in pandemic. My salute to all healthcare workers who are working in the pandemic for happiness and well-being of all mankind. Happy Doctor's Day to everyone.
We are in the midst of a pandemic of unprecedented magnitude which continues to threaten and disrupt our life. Unfortunately, this disease is not going to disappear soon. As a cardiologist, I worry about my cardiac patients who are among those most risk for severe complications of COVID infections. I also worry about our professional colleagues who put themselves at risk to take care of the sick. A very big salute to these healthcare warriors. We also worry about our families, our communities, and of course our country, which in view of the worsening social and economic toll. This pandemic has asked for several modifications in our lifestyle, in our social behavior, and in our clinical practice. We have to live with these modifications till we get rid of this menace. Let us all play a big role in flattening the curve, and my wishes and prayers are to the healthcare warriors. Thank you.
Dear friends and colleagues, I am Dr. P.K. Dev, past President of CSI. National Doctors' Day is going to be celebrated on 1st July 2020. I have and I had and I will have highest regards for the doctors all over the country, all over the world, because they are doing a great job. Even during the time of COVID-19, they are doing a great job with great courage.
Namaskar. On this National Doctors' Day, I myself, Dr. Mrinal Kanti Das, President of Cardiological Society of India, is offering my heartiest regards to all the doctors throughout country as well as the globe who are doing yeoman job in serving the people during the most critical period of life. They have shown their prowess, their sincerity, their devotion, and lastly, they have shown the resilience that they can go to any extent for serving the people effectively and with responsibility. So it's a very proud moment for me to congratulate all of you and thank you and namaskar.